Looking at this dashboard, seeing thousands of dollars in estimated earnings and a balance ready for payout, that is the goal, a high-performing, fully monetized AdSense account. But reaching that payout is harder than ever. Now, 85% of first-time AdSense applications are rejected. Google's AI crawler actively hunts down and filters out generic, template-built ghost sites. If your site is stuffed with unedited AI content and lacks original substance, it gets flagged immediately. You can bypass this low-value content filter. We are going to walk through a chronological 5-step checklist to get your site approved. Before we start step 1, you need the absolute minimums in place: a custom top-level domain, an active SSL certificate for HTTPS, and a domain age of at least 30 to 60 days. Clearing those basic prerequisites merely gets you to the starting line. Passing the AI crawler requires mastering the technical and content requirements in these next 5 steps. Step 1 is clearing the technical speed floor. Open PageSpeed Insights and run your website through it. Look directly at the mobile score. Google's crawler reviews your mobile experience first, so desktop numbers won't save you here. We are measuring your largest contentful paint, or LCP. The maximum threshold is now 2.5 seconds. The old 3-second rule is dead. If your LCP is failing, the 3 fastest fixes are converting your images to WebP format, removing unused CSS and JavaScript plugins, and switching from shared hosting to a provider with a built-in content delivery network. The AdSense review system treats a slow mobile load time exactly like an under-construction page. That 2.5-second LCP is a non-negotiable gatekeeper for approval. Step 2 is proving you are a real entity by establishing experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, the EEAT framework. You must have 4 specific custom-authored pages: the privacy policy, terms and conditions, about us, and contact us. Do not copy and paste these from free legal page generators. Your About page needs a named author with stated expertise in your niche. You also need to include a physical address or a working contact form. If you write about finance, health, or legal topics, Google classifies your site as Your Money or Your Life. In these niches, an anonymous profile guarantees instant rejection. Passing as a verifiable, credible human being with custom-authored policies is the only way to avoid the automated ghost site rejection footprint. Step 3 is the 920-word substance rule. Before applying, your site needs a minimum of 20 posts that clear this specific length requirement. But length means nothing without information gain. This is the measurable difference between your article and what already exists online. Publishing raw, unedited AI text automatically fails this test. This diagram compares the 2 approaches. To achieve information gain, you have to include proprietary data, original comparison tables, custom screenshots from your own testing, or specific lived experiences. You can use AI as a structural scaffold, but you have to strip out its generic bones and replace them with your own verifiable knowledge. Injecting your own proprietary human perspective is the most effective way to prove your content's value and beat the low-value content filter. Step 4 is the indexing velocity audit. You have to ensure your website isn't actually invisible to Google's crawlers before you submit your application. Looking at this Google Search Console dashboard, navigate directly to the Pages tab and check the Not Indexed report. If you see the status Discovered, currently not indexed, you have a major failure point. This usually means you have poor internal linking, leaving pages orphaned, or you have a bad robots.txt configuration. You must fix these errors and verify that at least 15 of your posts show a green indexed status. The logic here is absolute. The AdSense bot follows the search bot. If Google won't index the pages for search, AdSense will not monetize them. Step 5 is officially submitting your application through the AdSense portal. Once submitted, the review period typically takes anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. During this waiting period, you must continue publishing at least 2 highly detailed articles per week. Do not leave empty categories, broken links, or coming soon placeholders anywhere on the live site. Every link must lead to real, published content. Maintaining a complete site structure and publishing consistently proves to the manual reviewers that your site is a growing, active business, which secures your final approval. When you receive that Ready to Show Ads email, your dashboard comes alive with its first page views. But approval is just the doorway. A low-tier audience means suffering through months of low revenue per mil, as these fractions of a penny show. Your next strategic goal is pivoting your content clusters to target high-paying Tier 1 niches, like finance, legal, or insurance, to maximize your cost per click. Comment your current mobile LCP speed down below, and make sure to subscribe for our upcoming tutorial on AdSense revenue optimization. This checklist gets you through the door, but those strategic market pivots are what actually keep the money flowing.